Hello there, finally I received my Robot Vacuum Mop, which I had pre-ordered back in July. After much delay, finally here it is. Let me unbox it, show the box contents, set it up and show you how it operates both in dry vacuum and wet mopping mode. Hi, I am Lakshmirajan. Vanakkam. If you like this video, show your love by liking it and subscribing to my channel. This is the VA Vacuum Robot Mopping machine. On top you have the power button and home button. At the back there are three wheels. This is the cleaning brush cover for it. The cleaning brush can be removed in case you want to remove some debris or anything stuck to it. These are side brush. You use one in the machine, the other one is a spare brush. You have to fix it to this point, just push it and it will lock in. This is the charging dock. AC power adapter. This is 2-in-1 dust compartment with a tiny water tank. This works for wet mode as well as dry mode if you use both the actions. Wet mop pad. Another moist mop pad. The top lid can be opened like this. It has a cleaning brush tool. This is the dust compartment for dry vacuum. If you use only dry vacuum, you can use this. Dust gets collected here. If you use both dry and wet mopping, you can replace this with a 2-in-1 compartment. Now, let me show you how to use this. First time to power on, you long press the power button for 3 seconds. Same way, long press for 3 seconds to power it off. Pressing the home button returns it to the charging dock. While it can be used without app also, the app offers more features. You need to download Mi Home app, set up an account and pair the Mi Robo. You need active Wi-Fi connection for app control. Like I said, it also works without app and Wi-Fi, but the best features are available on the app. First, let me demo the machine and then talk about the app. Let's do the dry vacuum run first. It goes around every nook and corner that it can get into. If there is any obstacles, it avoids and finds a way around. It goes over carpets too. It also managed to climb over this. It goes around every room in the floor. It maps the floor first and goes around. It has sensors that make sure it doesn't fall off steps. Once it is cleaned or battery is low, it returns to its charging dock and automatically charges back. You can see how much dust is collected here. I am very satisfied with this dry vacuum. It also has an edge-only vacuum mode that cleans only the edges of the room. You can set it on the app. Now to wet mopping. You need to fill water into this compartment and seal it with a flap. It takes around 1 cup of water. The mop pad has to be attached to the front side. When it comes to mopping, first thing, the water consumption is very less. Like I said, I added only 1 cup of water. Obviously, it cannot match the human mopping efficiency. You can also find wet mop strokes and some hard dry stains are not easy to mop in one cycle. But it does make life easier. Maybe once in 15 days you can mop yourself if you are very nitpicky about mopping and leave the rest of the days to this machine. Coming to app, you can set vacuum plus mop and mopping mode here. There is also silent, standard, medium, turbo modes. You can view the cleaning history, floor map it covered. There is a virtual wall or restricted area you can set in the map so that the machine won't go into those areas. You can also schedule it from the app. So the app gives a lot of extra features to make good use of this robo. So that's about the Mi Vacuum Robo Moppy. So if you have any doubt, ask me in the comments and I will answer to it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Lakshmirajan signing off. See you in the next video. Thank you.